As far as cases go, you got this other company you might have heard of. Now, this isn't a case, but they have done cases. Pop sockets. These are the things that go in the back of your phone, supposed to enhance your grip. For the power users who have the phone ready to go at all times. Those that have the big phones as well, they tend to like these pop sockets. It pops out. It goes between your index and middle finger, and you just carry it around like that. I'm explaining pop sockets to you.
You are, yeah.
Well, the way that pop sockets have worked up until now is with a little bit of adhesive. It'd be like a sticky 3M type adhesive that would go onto the back of your device or case. In fact, people have sent me pictures of their own later case. That's this. Actually, I switched, by the way, to the blue color. Did you even know that, Will?
No, I didn't. I couldn't see.
I switched to the Willy Blue.
Good job.
And I'm a big fan so far.
Nice.
And it has a different texture, which is quite satisfying and addictive to touch.
Yeah,
Much like yourself.
I touch it all the time.
Much like yourself. Anyway, I've seen people, they send me tweets where they just stick a pop socket on the back and it works perfectly fine. And people prefer in some cases to put it on their case because then they're not so worried about damaging or having residue left on the phone. Well, anyway, since we now have MagSafe on the iPhone 12, there's now a MagSafe compatible pop socket, which they're calling a pop grip. And that's what you're looking at in this particular photo. So no adhesive necessary. It's going to use the magnet to attach the pop socket. Now, the only downside that strikes me right away, I love the fact you can remove it. It's not permanent like an adhesive, but you have a much bigger platform for it to stick there. You see that big piece now? It's not just the pop socket itself. Instead, it's this platform, which is about twice the size of the actual pop socket. But anyway, I think many will go for it anyways because they get to stay away from the adhesives and utilize their fancy new magnet. Pop Grip for MagSafe will launch spring 2021. They have a bunch of other accessories coming out as well, including a pop wallet, pop mount. This MagSafe stuff has just, it has created this huge opportunity for the accessory makers to put out 1,000 things compatible with the magnets. The people are into the magnets.
Highly customizable, too.
Highly customizable.